Windows 7 Windows Update Error 80072FA. I have a HP PC. Recently, I have reset it, and it downgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 7. After the reset, I am trying to install Windows updates. But when I try to search for new updates, I get the following error. I did some research and attempted all the solutions below with no success. Enable and disable Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Windows Update, and Cryptographic Service in services.msc at Windows Run. Clean the folder, see column My. Tried to install Windows Update KB3138.612. In fact, I tried all the variant updates listed in the link. All of them result into, the update doesn't apply to your system. I am really running out of ideas. What should I do in order to be able to install Windows updates to my PC? Here is a list of the updates installed on my PC so far. Sorry that it is in French.
I think the version you installed is too old to contact the Microsoft servers. I suggest follow the article Windows 7, how to check if Service Pack 1 is installed to see if SP1 is installed. If SP1 is not installed, download it and install. 2 updates are required for the next step. The first one below is sometimes sufficient, but installing both is safer. KB3138.612 update. KB3020.369 update, direct link to Microsoft Update Catalog. Download and install KB3125.574, the so-called convenience rollup for Windows 7 SP1, which is a misnomer for the never-arriving SP2 Service Pack. Even if Windows Update is working after the previous step, installing this rollup is equivalent to a Service Pack in that it clears up all the previously installed updates, just the same as a Service Pack, with a net gain in disk space. It will also be faster than installing separately all the updates that it contains.
Might I suggest that you use a program called sys offline to download all the Win 7 updates and install them offline. I have used this program for a number of years, just to solve the sort of problem you're having. On first run, tell it which version of Win you use and it will access MS and download all the appropriate updates. When it is finished, run the update installer and it will do its thing, rebooting as necessary. But it has always worked like a champ for me, even when I was having to update dozens of machines.
Servicing update KB3020.369 does not solve the issue. Perhaps is needed as a prerequisite, I'm not sure. It should not harm to install. It did not require restart. For me, KB3138.612 did solve the issue. Prior to KB3138.612 installation, runos.cmd.exe displayed the executable as unsigned. After installing, cmd.exe runos appears again as signed. Note: KB3138.612 does require restart.
KB3138.612 did solve the issue for me without any additional steps on restored Lenovo Win 7 Home 64-bit Intel system. This URL. Note others have since indicated this is actually the one needed.
channel, please consider subscribing.